Dear friends, hope all of you started preparation for UGC NET JRF 2022. The exam date is nearing. This is contract paper. Let's begin. A contract means an agreement enforceable by law. Section 2 Clause H. Every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other is an agreement. Section 2 Clause E. A contract or an obligation may arise by agreement and contract, by standard form of contract, by promissory estoppels. Which of the following is not an essential ingredient of a valid agreement? It should be in a written form. Which of the following statement is true? Object of an agreement should be legal. The Indian Contract Act 1872 extends to the whole of India excluding Jammu and Kashmir. Persons required for a contract are two or more. The Indian Contract Act 1872 lays down the definition of contract in Section 2 Clause H. An agreement not enforceable by law is stated to be void under Section 2 Clause G. A contract which ceases to be enforceable by law becomes void when ceases to be enforceable. This statement is provided in Section 2 Clause J. An agreement which is enforceable by law at the option of one or more of the parties thereto, but not at the option of other or others is a voidable contract. An agreement not enforceable by law is said to be a void contract. A contract implied by law is known as quasi-contract. Offer has been defined as under Section 2 Clause A. Under Section 2 Clause B, if the person to whom the proposal is made signifies his assent, the proposal is said to have been accepted. A proposal when accepted becomes a promise under Section 2 Clause B. Section 10 of the Contract Act renders some important ingredients of a contract. Which of these is incorrect? Terms of condition must not be vague or uncertain. For binding contract, both the parties to a contract must be agree upon the same thing in the same sense. Addendum. Consensus addendum means meeting of minds. Under Section 2 Clause C, promisor is the person who makes the proposal. Thank you.